Move, baby, move. No, video, of course. You made it.
Can I go under here?
Come under.
You can just come under. So big. There you go. It smells so good. It's gonna take us freaking forever to get so good. Oh, this is cute too. Thanks. Not cute maternity clothes. I tried. That was super cute. Did you get shorter? No. Not even. Look at me. I'm taller. I have weight on me. That's like pulling my spine down. There's pressure. Okay. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm 30 years old, and we have a surprise.
Oh. Do this.
I don't know, just don't burn it. This is amazing. I don't think you're gonna be able to get the turkey out without singeing the soup. Where are we putting it though? On top? Just anywhere.
Ho, ho, ho.
I know, it's so cute. It's a girl. I don't want to buy anything too far enough. Oh, it's too big. Little blankets. Oh, super cute.
And there's so many dinosaur things that I want to get the baby. And elephant things.
We have enough elephant stuff. Boxing Day.
It's not as busy as I thought it was going to be.
No, me neither. This is a really cute spot. Dinosaurs!
Very cute.
Oh my god, we have to get this one.
But we need to stop buying like generational stuff for one way later. I've seen anchors, but and paper airplanes. And these have the like. This is if we have a big baby. Look, these fold over.
A big baby.
Well, we're having a big baby. Okay, so hold on to that. Those are for sure.
When they start scratching with their nails.
Yeah,
And you gotta put
I know.
so
And we have
hands.
little mitts too. Okay, for sure getting this blanket because it goes with all our gray and white for the. I'm gonna get rid of this blanket. This is soft and stuff, but I don't love it.
Hey everybody, so we're in Chatsworth House. Jen and I don't know if we're lost.
You definitely went ahead.
Yeah, we're definitely ahead, and it's so dark in here, and it's all set up for Christmas. They've set it up for the kids, people that come here quite often, so just gotta get through it. I decided to walk on the other side of Chatsworth, the house, so that I can get some landscape shots of the house and all the gardens, and didn't realize how muddy it was going to be. Thankfully, I left the girls on the other side, didn't tell them where I was going, so I don't have to worry about everybody in the car with muddy shoes. It'd just be me. But I think the pictures are going to be worth it. Made it to the top of the hill, and it got really muddy at the end, but I think the view is worth it. So there's the house. Walked through all of this mud down there. It doesn't look too muddy. I'm gonna walk up here, try to take some pictures of some sheep. Slowly getting closer to the sheep. It looks a little further away in the video. I'm actually pretty dang close. See if I can get closer and get some good pictures. NST number 4. And baby's being stubborn and doesn't want to raise his heartbeat. We think he's sleeping. So Jess is having to drink some juice and some water. Oh yeah, ice water. To get him moving. We're waiting on the doc.
To get the accelerations in the heartbeat. And sister is here to
move, baby, move.
see this awesome appointment that's taking forever. Been here a long time.
Yeah, been here an hour and 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Fun stuff.
Good heartbeat, but not the accelerations they want. So next will be a quick little scan for amniotic fluid check. So